Okay, Mr. Rudra. So we are doing past papers of ICSA, and the topic that we are discussing is circles. This is the 2019 paper, question number 7A. Now ADB is given to be ADB is given to be 55 degree, and we need to find X and Y. We need to find X and Y. Now there are two ways of finding X and Y. So this is my X and this is my Y. There are two ways in which I can find X and Y. So we'll discuss the method 1 first, and then we'll discuss method 2. So as per method 1, this is 55 degree. Because AC is tangent to the circle with center O. So this angle will be 90 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Because this is a tangent and this is a diameter. AB is a diameter, and at A you have AC as a tangent. AC as a tangent. So this angle would be 90 degree. Now if I consider triangle BAC, or rather triangle BAD, let me consider triangle BAD. This is 55 degree, this is 90 degree. 90 plus 55 is 145. So if this is 145, this should be 35 degree. So Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now if I consider triangle OBE, in this OB is equal to OE is equal to radius of the circle. Therefore, triangle OBE becomes a isosceles triangle. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Because it's an isosceles triangle. So if this is 35 degree, this is also 35 degree. So therefore, angle this angle POE would be 110 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Consequently, angle AOE would be 70 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, if this is 70 degree, we have found Y. Then we consider triangle OAC. We know we have found this is 70 degree, this is 90 degree, 90 plus 70 is 160. So this angle would be 20 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Another way in which we can do this is, a simpler way of doing this is, if I have this chord, if I have this arc, or I have this chord AB, the angle that this chord would be making at the center and the angle this chord would be throwing at the any point of the circle, the relation between these two is that if this is theta, this is 2 theta. So is there any doubt about this?
No, sir.
This is one of the theorems that we have learned. A very natural outcome of this theorem is that if I have any other angle like this, this of line got bit distorted. So if I have any other angle like this angle would also be theta. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
This would be AQB would also be theta, and angle ARB would also be theta. And therefore, what I see is that angle AQB is equal to angle APB is equal to angle ARB. All of them are equal to theta. And this theta that I have here is actually twice of this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
I'm sorry, this theta is half of this. Now that means that without doing all the plus minus, all I could have done is, once I had found 35 degree, directly I could have said that this is my 70 degree. Mr. Rudra, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So you can use any of these methods. You can use method 1 also, or you can do method 2 also. Okay. Mr. Rudra, this is a question 11C of the same year, 2019. We are doing circles questions in this video. So ABCD is a pentagon inscribed in a circle. AC is a diameter. Now, if AC is a diameter, if this line is a diameter, then there are, okay, let me erase this and so that you can understand this, how this question was initially. Okay. So AC is the diameter. Now, if AC is the diameter, I have been given that this would be 90 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If this is 90 degree, this is 50 degree, therefore this is 40 degree. So when we read the first line, this is what we can arrive at. The second line is side BC is parallel to EE. This line is parallel to this line. Therefore, this is how it is mentioned. Therefore, if this is 90 degree, this would be 90 degree. So if this is 50 degree, this would be 40 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what they are saying, find ACB. ACB, I have already found. Okay. They are saying EDC. EDC, I need to find. Now, I can see that AEDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. By one of the theorems of cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So if this is 40 degree, this would be 140 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
So I have found EDC also. I need to find BEC. BEC. So let me join this line. Let me join this line. Now when I join EB, what I find is that angle on this side is 90 degree. Mr. Rudra, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
This is 90 degree. Therefore, BE should be a diameter. So automatically I have proved this. Now I need to find BEC. BEC. So what I'll do is I'll join these lines. I'll join BEC. This is what I get. And I need to find angle BEC. BEC. This angle I need to find. Now I have proved in this lecture that if this is my chord AB, this chord AB would be forming the same angle at P, Q, or maybe any other point R. There shouldn't be any doubt.
No, sir.
It would also be theta. So if I take BC as the chord, this chord is making an angle of 50 degree here. So it will be making the same angle here. Any doubt, Mr. Ruby?
No, sir.
So angle BEC would also be 50 degree. Okay. So this is the 2018 paper. This is 2018 paper. And this is question number. Mr. Rudra, this is question number 2C. ICICI past paper. So let us understand this question. Let me take out all the solution. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 73 degree, this whole would be 107 degree. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I need to carefully look at this. This is 107 degree. So this angle, if there is any confusion, this angle can't be 82 degree. This smaller angle, that is angle RSQ, can't be 82 degree because this is already 107 degree. And anyways, I need to find angle RSQ. So this can't be 82 degree because 107 plus 82 would make it 189 degree. So this confusion I shouldn't be there. I shouldn't be having. So this whole of the angle is 82 degree. Any doubt about this, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
So if this is 107 degree, this whole is 82 degree. Now 82 degree plus this whole should be 180 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If this is x, so 55 plus x would be 180 degree. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So x would be, Mr. Rudra,
43 degrees.
43 degrees. X would be 43 degrees. I can check. This is my 98 degree and this is 82 degree. 92 plus, I'm sorry, 98 plus 82 is 180 degree. So I'm on the right track. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this is 43 degree. This is 107 degree. So this angle would be 180 minus 50. This would be 30 degree. And this angle would be 52 degree. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
And if I want to check if I am on the right track or not, then if I take triangle SPQ and I find the sum of the angles are, so 7, 5, 12, 17, 180. So I am on the right track. Now QRS I have found to be 107 degree. RQS I have found to be 43 degree. PRQ. So for that I need to join this line PRQ. I need to join this line. Now how can I find this angle, Mr. Rudra? Why 52 degrees, sir? Mr. Rudra, why this will be 52 degree?
Because this one PSQ is 52 degrees.
Yes, sir. Because PQ is a chord. It is forming this angle 52 degree at S. So it will form angle 52 degree at R also. And that is why PRQ would be equal to 52 degree. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Rudra. So 2018 question 10b. In the figure given below, O is the center of the circle, OR is equal to OP, ORP is equal to 20 degree, find X giving reasons. So let us see what does the question look like. So QR is equal to OP. QR is equal to OP. Now OP is equal to OQ. Why, Mr. Rudra? Mr. Rudra, why?
So because they are ready.
Yes, sir. So therefore, this would be equal to QR also. So all of them would be equal. Now, if all of them are equal, then triangle OQR would be a isosceles triangle. Any doubt?
No, sir.
That means if this is 20 degree, this would also be 20 degree. And therefore, this would be 140 degree. And therefore, this would be 40 degree. And therefore, this would be 40 degree. Therefore, this would be 100 degree. Now this is 100 degree, this is 20 degree, 120 degree. So X would be 60 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So the next question is from 2017, question number 1C. AB and CD are two parallel chords. So this chord AB is parallel to CD. AB is 24. So I have two parallel chords. This chord is parallel to this chord. Now AB is 24, AB is 24, and CD is 10. CD is 10. These two are parallel to each other. If radius of the circle is 13 centimeter. Now I have been given that the radius is 13. That means that these four sides would be equal to 13 centimeter each. Mr. Rudra, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So, because they are the radius of the circle. So all of them would be 13 centimeter. Now I can see that this is a perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. This is also a perpendicular. Now, from the center to the chord, if a perpendicular is drawn by one of the theorems, this side would be equal to this side. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Similarly, this side would be equal to this side. Any confusion about this?
No, sir.
So if whole of this is 24 centimeter, this would be 12. This would be 12. Whole of this is 10 centimeter. Therefore, Cm would be is equal to Md is equal to 5 centimeter. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
An is equal to Nb is equal to 12 and Cm is equal to Md is equal to 5. Okay. Then by basic Pythagoras, 13 square minus 12 square under root. Therefore, I can get On is equal to 5 and I can get Om is equal to 12. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
By Pythagoras. And therefore, the distance between the two chords would be 17 centimeter. 5 plus 12. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Nice, sir. Okay. Next question again, 2017, question number 8b. PQ is a tangent. AB and AD are bisectors. AB is a bisector of CAQ. AB is a bisector of CAQ. Therefore, this angle would be equal to this angle. And AD is a bisector of PAC. PAC. Therefore, this angle would be equal to this angle. Mr. Rudra, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Okay. So BAQ is 30 degree. Now, if this is 30 degree, as I know, this is a bisector. So this also would be 30 degree. Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Whole of this angle would be 120 degree. And therefore, this angle would be 60 degree and this angle would be 60 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I need to prove. So this is where I have reached. Now I know that there is a theorem which says that, Mr. Rudra, you should be very clear about this theorem because it's a very powerful theorem. So what this theorem says is that if there is a tangent PQ, PQ which touches the chord AC, or let me call it AB, AB, yes. So this is my chord AB and this is my tangent PAQ, PQ. So if I have this angle BAQ, BAQ, which is 30 degree, this chord would be making the same angle, at this side of the circle. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
So if this is 30 degree, this angle would be 30 degree and this angle would also be 30 degree. What this says is that if I consider this to be the chord, this to be the chord, this angle would be 30 degree, and also this angle would be 30 degree. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, why I am doing this? I am doing this for two simple reasons. One is I need to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now, ABC would be an isosceles triangle, of course, because this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. So therefore, I have proved that ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Therefore, this side would be equal to this. And the first question is BD is a diameter. Now BD is a diameter. Of course, BD would be a diameter because if you see this angle, this angle is 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. This angle is 90. Therefore, BD is a diameter. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. 2017, question number 9. O is the center. DAE. Let me rub this. Okay. So DAE is 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. Find suitable, giving suitable reasons. So if this is 70 degree, this would be 110 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
CBAD. CBAD would be a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, because it's a cyclic quadrilateral, if this is 110 degree, this would be 70 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we know this theorem that BD is a chord, and the chord at the center will be making twice the angle that it will be making on the circle. So if this is 70 degree, this needs to be 140 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this and this are radius. OB and OD are equal. Triangle OBD is isosceles. Therefore, this angle would be equal to this angle. So this angle would be 20 degree and this angle will also be 20 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So BCD would be 70 degree. BOD would be 140 degree. OBD would be 20 degree. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.